Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I want to go over the newest firearm in the collection, my Savage Mark II FVSR. I've been looking for another 22 bolt gun for quite some time. It's a great little training rifle for people that are just getting into shooting, and with this nice optic already on it, you can take them and they can shoot 100 yards and just really enjoy the experience. So I went ahead and bought this used simply because I wanted to go ahead and have everything ready, drop the price down a little bit as well. This is a Nikon Prostaff 4x12 scope. I don't know exactly what the bell size is, but it does pretty well. The bipod I bought a little bit later. It was only $20 or $25, fairly cheap. It was just something to give beginner shooters a little bit more stability on the range and just easier to carry around this way. Again, when you get to the range, just throw it down, you're ready to go. When I'm hunting and stuff, I just take it off and just use it how it is. Now, I wasn't really planning on the FVSR specifically. This is just the one that became available, but I gotta say there's quite a few nice features about it. First thing is you get an amazing barrel, very heavy duty, fluted as well. It's also, I think, 16.5 or 17-inch barrel, I believe, and it's ready for a suppressor. So that's something I hope to get in the future. That'd be kind of nice for squirrel hunts. So during deer season, I could do a little bit of squirrel hunting, but not spook all the deer in that specific area. So that's a big plus. Another thing is with the shorter barrel, it's very, very easy to carry around. So when you're on an ATV or something, perfect little gun to bring with you. Now, as far as this rifle goes in general, has an amazing trigger on it. I love the large bolt. That actually makes a significant difference when trying to put a bullet into the chamber compared to one of my older 22 bolt guns. I really didn't know how much this was going to help, but it really does make it a dramatic difference. The worst thing about this gun overall, though, is the stock. It is poorly made from the front to the back, so you have a large gap here, but if you apply enough pressure on the front, you can actually have the stock hit the rifle barrel, and although this is free floated, that can affect your shots, but generally it hasn't been too big of an issue. The worst part about this stock, unquestionably though, and this is a very large oversight by Savage, is you have a flat stock in the back. It's not raised or anything. So with the FVSR, that rail that comes on it that's raised up a little bit, you could not use the scope. Your face would have to be very high on the stock. So one thing I would like to see is them use a raised cheek well on their rifles, especially the FVSR, if they're going to try to make it their, tactical rifle or whatever. But overall, it's fantastic, incredible little rifle, very reliable, never had an issue with it. And for the price, it's perfect to throw into the truck and let beginners use it without having to worry about them bumping it around too much. We're going to go ahead and start on the 20-yard target and start working our way back. 5 shots apiece. We'll see how many times we can hit it. Three out of 5 is not too bad for that 1-inch target, especially at about 20 yards. I could certainly live with that. We're on to the 40-yard target. 5 more shots. We'll see how we fare. A little bit to the right. Four out of 5. Could do a little bit better, but just got to get the rust off. We're down to the final 5 shots. I'm in an awkward position, but we're going to see if we can hit this 80-yard target. Not too bad whatsoever. 5 shots on target. This table actually slid out a little bit from under me, but I'm very impressed with that, especially, again, perfect little training rifle for new shooters. Considering most of our fields are about 100 yards total, this is kind of perfect for the ranges we shoot for deer. We do have a few that stretch out to 200 yards, and I got to find a little bit better way to practice for that, but overall, this is pretty satisfactory. 40 yards is about the maximum range. I'll probably try to shoot a squirrel or a rabbit or something like that, but I want to do a little bit of rapid fire on my 4-inch target, see how we do, see if I can stay on target as well. Awesome. Well guys, I do hope y'all enjoyed this video and this answers some of the questions you may have had about this rifle. If you did, please make sure to share, like, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.